Oh, big problems, my friends. I want 6 crows for my Halloween decor, but I have only one. See this? I cannot find anything right now for less than $10 online. That leaves me no choice. I'm going to make them myself. Which means sacrifices will have to be made. Yes, this is a steak knife. Do not be afraid to cut, my friends. It is surprisingly easy. And one last precision move, and we got something. Yeah, maybe. Off to the kitchen, blend some old tax paper and push the pulp into the crow. A bit tedious business this, but let's get it done. The hard part was waiting to dry and waiting to wonder, will it work, will it release? And yes, it's beautiful, it worked. I don't need you, Amazon. All right, with the help of an elastic band and some paper and glue, I'm putting the parts I have here back together. Now I also did some experiments here, see? Those wing parts, it didn't work out so well, but you gotta try things. So the birds did not exactly match. I tried my best. This is a prop, it does not have to be perfect. And here they are. I think they look pretty awesome. Now, there is of course some damage, but nothing to worry about. Now let's move on to the claws or legs. I made them simply with wire. I actually will post a separate video because we're going to make an awesome bird for the plague doctor, which is going to be perfect. Now this wire, the wire foot here, I'm just pushing it into the bird with some napkins I wrapped around, and again with glue kind of sculpt and paste it together nicely. Okay, now I lost some of the beak here. Now I just happen to have some blue Sculpey lying on my desk, so I thought I'd try to recreate some. I am not a sculptor. It took a little time here, but it's absolutely doable. Now Sculpey, of course, is super easy to work with. It's very malleable, and it goes straight into the oven and it will harden up. Now, I did an open beak here. It did take me a few minutes, but it's absolutely doable. I'm not going to bore you with the whole process here. But the bird goes straight into the oven because, of course, it is only paper, so no problem there. And here we go, the bird straight out of the oven. The beak is nice and hard and no ill effect to the bird at all. I am so happy. I am finally back at the beginning. I can do what I wanted to do in the first place, and that is add wings to the bird. Now I cut 2 sets of wings here, one larger one and the smaller one right here. Now 2 papers from the dollar store, and I used my pattern I made very quickly. I think it does look like wings. And now roughly measuring and cutting an 18 gauge galvanized steel wire, marking where I want the wire to go and making the wire go where I want it to go. Yeah. And finally, covering everything, no, well, only the wire, cover all the wire with masking tape. And now glue. Oh my goodness, so much glue. Now see, I have a longer wire and the shorter one there. The shorter one is just to steady the wing, and the longer one will help it give it shape. Now I'm sandwiching everything together. This is quite messy, but again, this does not have to be pretty. This is going to be in the dark. This is a quick prop we're making here. Now I'm sandwiching it together, holding it with my clips here. Yeah, and then just let it dry. Now I ended up giving 4 birds out of the 6 wings because they just looked so great. I just love them the way they look. And once they are dry, you can of course move those wings to where you want them to. And this does not have to be pretty. This is a prop. It just looks great in the dark. The wings are fantastic. I'm very happy with them. Now let's get them painted. Can't wait. I take them outside, spray painted them quickly, and here they are. Now, before I can hang them, I just threaded some wire here through the whole body. Now, depending how you want them hanging, it has to be on a different part of the body, right? So if you want them dive bombing, it has to be further in the back here. So that took a little bit of time to figure out. Okay, let's go hang them up. And here they are. Look at them. Oh my God, they look so awesome. Cannot believe it. Now, am I expecting you to make those birds? No, not at all. Wait until they're available in the store for a few bucks and you can use the wings. See, the wings make the difference. This is just so cool. I love them. And when I had to hang them up from the ceiling, this is the best way. I thought maybe I could attach them onto the frame or the branches, but no, it's just too wobbly. Ceiling is best. And yeah, looking very cool. So of course I'm going to continue decorating the whole room because we're going to have a smashing party here in October. That is the goal. So one project at a time. And also a viewer asked for some help with antlers. So I will make a project there, make some awesome big antlers. And yeah, so if you need help with anything, let me know. I am not posting the wings unless, because it's not too difficult to make. But if you have difficulties, let me know. I will find a place somewhere on the website to insert them. So just let me know. All right, Monica from Wicked Aviary. Thank you so much for watching. This is Wicked Aviary. Actually, Wicked Aviary. We're getting there. I always wanted to make movable birds. Hence, Wicked Aviary. That's the whole secret about the name, if anybody ever wondered. Thank you so much, my friends. Bye.